Are we going to feed squirrels?
Yeah.
Come on then. Squirrels, where are you? Where's the squirrel? Up there?
Yeah.
That's no squirrel, that's a birdie. Come on, let's go find squirrels. Any squirrels? Is Henry going to feed squirrels today? Yeah? Found anything, guys? Henry and Uzi are going to feed squirrels. We've got monkey nuts here. So we're going to put the monkey nuts on Henry and see if any squirrels come to him, yeah? What is it? Where's the squirrel? Where? Oh my goodness, there's a squirrel there. Uzi, should we let Henry feed the squirrels today? Yeah? So we're going to put some nuts on Henry and then we're going to move away and see if squirrels come, yeah? Come on, guys. Squirrel, Henry wants to feed you. Yeah, we'll feed them when they come closer, yeah? Let's walk away though and see. Oh, they come, walk away. And let's just see if squirrels come. Henry's over there with all the nuts on him. Let's see how many squirrels come.
Yeah. Eat them.
There's Henry. Oh, look, there's squirrel. And there's one right there. They're coming.
What's that?
Yeah, there's so many squirrels here.
Buddy, silly.
Give it to Cooper, buddy.
Buddy!
So I think the squirrels are scared of the Hoover because it's red and too bright. Sorry, Henry, you can't feed the squirrels, but the birds are eating the nuts.
Daddy, give me. Listen more, Dad. No, give more. Daddy, more. Give me more.
Eat it all.
Daddy, more.
Oh, Henry's feeling lonely. Shall we let Henry feed some?
Yeah, Henry, you can feed some. I want more.
Eat it, pigeons. They're coming to Henry, guys. They're coming. Henry just wants to feed them. Yeah, they're too scared.
He's waiting for them to get close. They're going to suck him up.
Henry won't do that. Guys, Henry's not going to suck you up. Oh, Uzi, Henry can't feed them. Sorry. Ooh, yeah, they got scared, see? Okay, shall we go then?
Let's go check out the unicorn.
Oh, there's a squirrel.
Pause the video and we'll go check out the unicorn.